The partnership with Fundación Mapfre is such a clear and powerful example of what it means when a corporation can partner with an organization and schools to help give students opportunities to explore their own leadership, to connect with one another, and to learn more about themselves and the world.
From drives and supply drives across these regions, as well as in particular in Massachusetts, 2 of our schools have really benefited from engaging with the employees here at Mapfre and having experiences that would not have been available to them otherwise. So we are extremely fortunate to provide these to our partner schools here in Massachusetts and partner nationally with the Foundation.
This program allows our 8th grade honor counselor to visit corporate America, see themselves as leaders outside of the classroom, and learn how to plan goals that are applicable to themselves and their transition to high school.
They're asking a lot about how to work more collaboratively and to work with people that they don't know, or how to work with groups that aren't necessarily working well together. And I've been able to use some of the experience that I have from working with other groups of people to try to help them with that.
You care about that, and you care about being a leader. I think that's how it's an honor and a privilege to be involved and to be able to be part of something that is helping to educate and inspire the leaders of tomorrow.
I'm looking for different ways to expand my horizon and do different things in life that would set me apart from everyone else, so that I can be noticed more and get different opportunities than everyone else is getting.
It's important to attend leadership workshops like this because you learn more about how to make an impact in life when you grow up. And I think that in my school in particular, that's mainly the bigger goal in life, just to make an impact and change the world.